So as to which path to take for meditation, in terms of which practices to prefer those practices which teach you about your mind, where you can sit for a while and give yourself enough time with a new practice, and the quality of your experience and relationship with your mind changes. We've all got goals. So let's say you want the mind to be calm. You're then trying to measure the calmness of the mind. Not helpful. It really isn't. Some people's minds will never shut up, but they keep coming to meditation. And the reason for they do that is because they're becoming more familiar and more comfortable with that chatter, with that relentless drumbeat of the mind,